Okay guys, let's make an alien. Here's our photographer Victor and our lovely model Adam. I've already painted his legs, that's good, all ready to go. Now we are smoothing his hair back to get ready for the bald cap. This is a kryolan bald cap. You want to make sure it's nice and smooth on the head, and then you can adjust afterwards using some edger and then some prosaide to seal the edges and some powder on top, which you will see in just a moment. Aha, there we go. So now bald cap is on, we're ready to move to our foam prosthetics around the eyes. I've applied these with Telesis 8F and thinner, and now I am blending the edges with just a little bit of alcohol and spirit gum. This gives it a nice smooth transition into the skin. And then we're going to go ahead and apply our next prosthetic. This is a silicone forehead piece, making sure that we're getting our glue under every little nook and cranny here and fanning it outward with the fingers so it is nice and stuck. And of course, we've got to melt off our flashing, but not before we have a little taste test. Gross, Adam. Okay, so now the flashing is off and we are ready to start blending that into the skin. Everything looks nice, so we're going to go ahead and move on to a little bit of painting. This is Mehron Paradise paint. It is a water activated paint. I went ahead and started adding a little bit of detailing, and now the last piece, this is a silicone nose piece. Making sure to apply very, very carefully. Just took off the flashing there. We're adding just some extra reinforcement just because of sometimes your nose running or any moisture under there, using some prosaide and some MelGel to hold it in place. So after that's done, I blew it dry, and now we're going back in with some more details. And we are just about ready here. We're going to powder it to make sure it stays nice during our photo shoot. And here's the final look. Our alien is ready to water the garden and also to go grocery shopping, because why not? Thanks for watching, guys.